we heard from CommonGround volunteer Susan Littlefield on what it's like to raise dairy goats on her farm.
Now we are going to hear from her again, and this time she's sharing a recipe. Did you ever have a favorite hot dish as a kid? Well, in this segment, Susan gives us hers.
Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm going to make for you guys today, which was a go-to when I was a kid and still one of my absolute favorites. It's a biscuit hot dish. Now, we don't call it casseroles because, you know, you can't eat the dishes, and growing up in Minnesota, it was always called a hot dish. And it's absolutely fun and easy to make, and 9 times out of 10, you've got all the ingredients right there in your own kitchen. You will start out by cooking 1 pound of ground beef, 1 container of the sour cream, and my burner is off, but it's still kind of allowing for this stuff to warm up a little bit. I have preheated my oven to 350 degrees. You will also add to it a can of cream of mushroom soup, whatever your favorite brand is. And then you will add to that 1/2 cup of chopped olives. And then to add the taste to it, I will take 2 tablespoons, and you might actually pull in a few extra olives in with it, but that's okay. 2 tablespoons of the juice off of your olives. And then you're going to mix this all together. You're going to pour it into your casserole dish. From there, you're going to add your refrigerated biscuits. And you just lay them evenly on the top. And depending on the size of your pan, you're going to use 1 to 2 cans of refrigerated biscuits. And there you are, the end results, biscuit hot dish.
That looks really good. That recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page, and I'm digging her casserole dish there too.
Yeah, I know.